Hey guys, so welcome back to 365 days of coding. So this is day 11 and today we're gonna solve this simple problem. Okay, so you can as always pause the video and read out this problem. Meanwhile, I will write my understanding and then we will move towards further steps. Okay, so what this problem basically says, so let's understand that. So basically problem says that we are having we have given a single bill value, okay, and we also have given the total number of bills. Now what we need to do, we need to perform some sort of calculation and finally we need to print that result. And in the question it is given that for single bill we are using n and for number of bills we are using m. So same thing we will use in our approach. So let's write that approach. Okay, so what is our approach? First we will take input n from the user, then we will take input m from the user, we multiply them, we do n cross m, and finally we will print the result. So let's write the code for this. Okay, so we have wrote our code. Okay, now let's run this and see whether we are getting the exact results or not. So what is our input? So we have given input as 12 and 10 and the output should be 120. So let's give 12, 10 and the output is 120. So our approach is correct. Now let's refine this approach for furthermore. So okay, so we can't do anything here, we also can't do anything here. What we can do is we can remove this result, so we can directly print n cross m. Okay, so let's write the same thing in approach 2 and cut this part, paste it here and run. Let's keep 12, let's keep 10 and we are getting 120. Okay, so let's revise this. So we have given a problem. Okay, we first understood that problem, what the problem is saying, what should be the input and what should be the output. Then we wrote our first approach, we wrote the code for that. Then based on the first approach we write our second approach by optimizing it and we get the same answer as our first approach. So guys, this is all for this video. Let's catch up tomorrow with another problem. Okay, and like the video, subscribe the video and comment if you understood the things, and means you can comment whatever you like. Bye bye.